guys, Nils here, and today we are going to take a quick look at how you can easily find any data extension in Marketing Cloud if you just want to search for it or if you know the exact name. Now, if you've been into Marketing Cloud, which I assume you have since you're watching this video, you know that searching for data extensions is insanely bad. Let me just jump right into it, and we'll take a look at an example of how this is done. So let's actually start in Email Studio. We'll look at both ways, but go to your data extensions. Here I have a bunch of test data extensions. Today I am just going to pretend I am looking for this one called Nils_test audience. Go to the top, and just for if anyone hasn't been into Marketing Cloud and you're saying, hey, why don't you just search for it? There is a search bar. We'll put it in here, click hit. Bummer, nothing found. And just to show, there is also this other place in Contact Builder. You do the same, put it in here, search, find nothing. So unless I have missed something for all these years I've been doing Marketing Cloud, I think this is insane that you can't search for your data extensions like this. So if anyone from Salesforce is watching this, please have this fixed. In the meantime, let's see what we can do who are just users in Marketing Cloud if we want to find a data extension quickly. And there is ways to find it very quickly, and there is also in the UI a way to search for it in various places. One of this place is in Content Builder, or when you are previewing a email. When you are here on the preview tab I'm in right now, you can select here list groups or data extension, and if I put it in here, hit search, well, how do you do? You could search for it. You could even see the exact place where it is. So that is one quick way of doing it. However, this this way of doing it only works for sendable data extensions, because when you are in here, you are only interested in something that can be previewed, hence a sendable data extension. Almost what we want both sendable, non-sendable, whatever. Just give us the data extension if we know the name or just want to search for a phrase. So the way to do this is that you just need to know a URL, or actually two URLs would be handy, which I will show you now. We go here, okay, so what you see in front of you now is the only two URLs you would need to make this work. You can see here, the first one is ending with Nils audience test. We'll leave both of these ones in the description, so it'll be easy for you to copy. The only thing you need to change is the stack, and you are good to go. And of course, you need to be logged into your account with your cookies and everything to do this. But then if we, for example, jump here, instead of having this here, I just paste whatever I had in that and hit enter. Boom, we found something. We found something that says count 1. It also has an ID over here. That's great. That's everything we need to be able to go to this data extension. So you remember I had 2 over here. Over here. So if we copy this one, paste it in here. Boom, here we go. And that is how easy it can be to find a data extension you are looking for. And I told you that it's great if you know the exact name, which I did in this case. I said it has to be named this. But let's say that you're looking for something you only know some part of, or it can be some naming convention you want to find all data extensions with that name. You just change this to test in this case. And now we found 11 of them. So That's a nice, easy way of finding a data extension you're looking for, either if it's sendable or non-sendable. And if you want this a little bit nicer, you can always go to JSONLint, just copy whatever you have here, put it in here, validate, prettify, and you can see everything a bit more nicely. But the thing is the same. You just take this ID with you, put it in like we did here, and you can go straight to that data extension. All right, so that's everything for today. Hope this helps some of you. At least it has helped me a lot during the years. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.